a groundbreaking study has revealed a shocking connection between a common deficiency and the devastating impact of Alzheimer's disease. Prepare to have your mind blown as we delve into this fascinating research. Scientists from Harvard Medical School have spent a decade uncovering a potential key factor in the development of Alzheimer's, a deficiency of natural lithium in the brain. Published in the prestigious journal Nature, this research is a game changer. Here's the kicker. The study found that lithium loss is one of the earliest indicators of Alzheimer's, with reduced levels observed in patients and a rapid decline in memory function in mice. But here's where it gets controversial. The researchers discovered a new compound, lithium orotate, which can navigate around the amyloid plaques and effectively restore memory in mice, and at a much lower dose than traditional lithium treatments. This is a significant breakthrough, offering hope for a new treatment strategy. Using advanced mass spectroscopy, the study analyzed metal levels in human brain and blood samples, and lithium was the only metal with significantly different levels across healthy individuals and those with varying stages of dementia. These findings challenge our understanding of Alzheimer's and propose a new approach for early detection, prevention, and treatment. However, human clinical trials are still needed to confirm these results. So, what do you think? Is this research a potential game changer in the fight against Alzheimer's? Or are there other factors at play? Let's discuss in the comments and explore this fascinating topic further.